Scaling smart, how U.S. companies scale without ballooning costs. Scaling means growing your business without overwhelming costs. But it's not something you do on a whim. It takes planning, tools to track success, and smart strategies. So how are U.S. companies scaling efficiently? 3 ways: remote teams, outsourcing, and AI. 1. Remote teams. Post-pandemic, hybrid and remote-first models are now the norm. Companies benefit by hiring talent across cities or even countries while saving money. Studies show that for every half remote employee, U.S. businesses can save around $11,000 a year. That's money that can go toward business growth instead of overhead. 2. Outsourcing. Outsourcing allows companies to access skilled professionals at lower costs, locally or abroad. Whether it's nearshore, offshore, or onshore, outsourcing helps fill skill gaps caused by the growing U.S. talent shortage. In fact, 66% of U.S. companies outsource at least one department, saving costs while maintaining productivity. 3. AI and automation. AI and automation help businesses handle routine tasks, improve service, and boost output, all without hiring more people. According to the 2024 CFO survey, 85% of large U.S. firms adopted automation last year. The top benefits? Better operations, improved output, and lower labor costs. Success stories. 1. Quora went remote first, expanding its talent pool to 15 countries while reducing office costs. 2. Google has long outsourced IT, support, and more, scaling globally without growing internal headcount. 3. Facebook uses both AI and outsourcing to manage global content moderation efficiently. 4. Unity Technologies slashed customer tickets by 8,000 and saved $1.3 million by using AI-powered customer support. Scale smart with KDCI. Want to scale without overspending? KDCI Outsourcing offers cost-effective solutions in customer service, IT, marketing, and more. We help businesses grow with flexible, strategic outsourcing, all powered by a skilled Filipino workforce.